Now you might be thinking, does online hypnotherapy really work? And is it dangerous or unethical to do this type of work online, just in case a client has an unexpected experience? Now, there are some people in the hypnotherapy industry who are hanging on to the old ways of doing things. And there are also some who are consciously choosing to ignore the latest trend in using technology because they offer courses that only teach face-to-face, physically present hypnotherapy. My name's Shane Fozzard. I'm the founder of the Hypnotherapist Certification and Marketing Program. I'm a big advocate of seeing through the cognitive biases that confuse facts with opinions. So I'm going to share with you the data and the science on this topic of, does online hypnotherapy work and is it ethical to offer this sort of service to clients? Now, researchers from the University of California, Berkeley, the University of California, San Francisco, and the San Francisco General Hospital concluded that users of online therapy experience significantly reduced depression symptom severity using a service like this. Now, online therapy was already proven to be effective before the recent lockdowns. A 2019 systematic review of over 24 studies found that video and phone therapy was effective in helping treat depression and anxiety. Now, of course, now more than ever, we see the necessity to still provide wellness and alternative health solutions to people without them being limited to having physical contact. Now, many people who live in remote and rural areas still have a need and desire for these services, and therefore they should be offered high quality and effective services from sufficiently trained practitioners. There are hundreds of demographics who don't have the time to leave their house or their office to see a hypnotherapist in a clinic. And so online hypnotherapy and any other online therapy is a great way to still help these types of people gain access to the wellness and the health that they seek. Now, connection between the practitioner and the client is the foundation of effective hypnotherapy, and a deep sense of connection and presence can still be created between two people, even in a virtual location. Now, another benefit of online hypnotherapy is that for the client, their choice in therapist and practitioner is no longer limited by geographical boundaries, which means clients can now get access to experts in their field from anywhere in the world. Now, one concern that some alternative health professionals have is, what do we do with our client if they have an unexpected experience? And this is what we call an ABREACTION. Well, a well-trained online hypnotherapist will know exactly how to handle this, and will also be able to set up the session to reduce the chances of it happening in a way that would disrupt the session, with a pre-agreed plan with the client on how it will be addressed in the event that something happens. Undertrained and underconfident hypnotherapists are scared of ABREACTIONs and don't have the training or understanding on how to deal with these in a calm and effective manner. So if anyone claims that online hypnotherapy doesn't work or that it's unethical to offer, then either that person just doesn't know how to do it effectively or ethically, or they may have an ulterior motive to saying this to help influence you to believe it as well. Because if over 25 scientific studies hold more weight than a few people's opinion, then it's safe to say that online hypnotherapy is effective, it is safe, and it is ethical to offer to clients. Now, I'm going to put a link to all the scientific studies that I've mentioned in the description below. Comment below and let me know what you think about online hypnotherapy and what you've heard about it. And if you're interested in learning the 5 steps to becoming an online hypnotherapist, as well as having an automated marketing and sales system to support you in getting more clients, then click the link in the description as well and you get access to some free training.